Welcome back, AgEcon. So by now, hopefully you've taken some time to answer these questions on your cheat sheet, and we'll go over some answers here so you are good to go for the feeling confident about this information. So first, what is economics? Economics essentially is the study of how consumers allocate or sacrifice different resources, such as money, given scarce resources in the economy. So how we use our resources when things are scarce. The pig principle is people prefer n+1 units of a good to just n. So if I have the opportunity to get 2 chocolate bars instead of 1, 99% of the time the person's going to want the 2. That's just human instinct, even though we only need 1, and we only went into the store to get 1. The 3 production questions are as follows. So what and how much is to be produced? How are those items going to be produced? And how are those items going to be allocated or distributed to all others in the economy? 4 of the allocation methods, the slides had several of them, but some of the ones that are just off the top of my head include fiat, willingness and ability to pay, first come, first serve, other, you can mash up a lot of different ones, voting, so on and so forth, and the difference between scarcity and shortage. Scarcity is essentially when we are running limited on resources. Everything is always going to be scarce because there's always a limit. And shortage is when we are like legitimately depleting our resources and we don't have very much left at all. We'll talk a little bit more about shortage in a future presentation, but scarcity is just something that our general American economy is always going to be facing because we're always limited on the amount of resources that we have. So just to recap our objectives. So first, you can apply the pig principle to the concept of scarcity, and you can evaluate the effects of different allocation and distribution systems. You can do both of these things. You are in good shape. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, please, please, please feel free to let me know.